A very good evening to all of you and welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams. In this session, we'll be discussing about MH-CET, GK and current affairs, popular previous year question of the last 5 years. Now, why previous year question is important? Because first, there are a lot of cases where same type of pattern or theme gets repeated. So the first thing is the previous year question in some way or the other gets repeated or the pattern gets repeated. That is why knowing the previous year question is very, very important. Second thing is it tells you an idea which section you are supposed to prepare and how much. That is why previous year question are actually generally very, very important. And one small announcement is that we are, I hope you are aware, we are running a CLAT course. So for that, we are providing a scholarship up to 90% on 19th February, 11 a.m. in the morning. Please attempt this test. It will be very, very beneficial. If you qualify it, you will get up to 90% scholarship for preparing for CLAT 2024. So the link is given in the description from where actually you can register for this scholarship. Okay, so the question starts. You are supposed to answer it very fast. I'll be giving you limited time, and in that limited time, you are supposed to answer. The primary responsibility of the Force 1 constituted in Maharashtra. What is its responsibility? To protect the privilege of all citizens, to check violent activities of all citizens, to ensure peace among citizens by safeguarding individuals' right, to protect Maharashtra legislature as well as several politicians within the state. So what was the responsibility of a force named Force 1 that was set up? So it's a previous year question. Please answer it. So the right answer to this question is option D, to protect the Maharashtra legislature as well as several politicians within the state. So D is the right answer to this question. Okay, yes. Now, let's move on further. So basically, I hope you are aware. So 26 November 2018 was actually 10 years of 10th anniversary of 26/11 attacks. And that is why perhaps in 2019, they asked this question and all. So that is why you must be knowing it because things do come in the news. So the next one is, so basically they gave two statements and you are supposed to answer it. Which of the following is actually correct? Covishield vaccine for coronavirus has been developed by Bharat Biotech. Covaxin for coronavirus has been developed by Oxford. In fact, this got actually, this was repeated as well. So sometimes the previous year question gets repeated. That is why we highlight, we show you the previous year question and all. So what is the right answer to this question? Covishield has been developed by Bharat Biotech. No, it has been developed by Serum Institute of India, Pune. So one is wrong. Covaxin has been developed by Oxford. No, it has been developed actually by Bharat Biotech. So you can say actually Covishield has been developed by AstraZeneca. I mean, if you talk about Britain, England level, or India, all world level, and Oxford University. In India, it has been made by actually Serum Institute of India, Pune, but at world level, it has been made by AstraZeneca and Oxford University, and Covaxin has been developed by Bharat Biotech. So basically, they actually interchanged it. So Covishield has been developed by Oxford. That would be a right statement. And Covaxin, so Covishield developed by Oxford. And let me change the color of the pen. So Covaxin has been developed by Bharat Biotech would be the right answer. So the options have been interchanged. So the right answer is neither of the two. Yes, D is the right answer. Neha Joshi, Soham, you all were right. D is the right answer. The next one is World Teacher Award. It was very much in the news. Was given to an Indian teacher, Ranjit Singh Desale. He is from actually Sholapur, Maharashtra. And for what purpose he has got this award? Child labor, drug menace, dowry menace, promoting girls' education. So you can apply the logic and will answer it. So when we are talking about a teacher and a teacher is getting an award, he must be getting an award to education, for education purpose, right? So you could have at least eliminated B, C and C. In fact, A you could have also eliminated. So the word education. So that is why previous year question also tells you, I mean, you are supposed to apply the logic as well. So some common sense do also work. Yes, Sunny, Sahani, Sia, Kumari, Soham, you all are right. D is the right answer to this question. That was actually very much in the news. In December 2020, Maharashtra teacher wins global prize for educating girls to give away half of 1 million reward and all. So he's from Solapur district and all. It was very much in the news. Okay, the next one is which of the following sports person have won gold medal at Olympics? Your options are Dhyan Chand, Milkha Singh, Abhinav Bindra, Rajvardhan Singh Rathore. Now, why did they ask this question? Because a very famous guy named Neeraj Chopra was in the news and he actually became the second Indian to win gold medal, right? Second gold medal winner in Olympics from India. So when we were talking about that, the question that was coming in the mind to, were actually who was the first one to get it. So that is why Mr. Abhinav Bindra was also coming in the news. Yes, he is the right answer. So first gold winner from India's side. Yes, he is the right answer. Unknown YX rider Shamit Sunny, you all are right. He is the right answer. Hai na? So Neeraj Chopra wins gold. That is why he was very much in the news, and that is why they asked this question. So that is you are supposed to know. And in shooting field, he got this award. Beijing 2008 Olympics. Yes. The next one is, how many seconds should it take to sing the national anthem properly? 54, 52, 30, 60. So we teach about national anthem and national songs in our paid classes. So can anyone tell me who composed national anthem and what is the national anthem of India? And what is the right answer to this question? Yes, Sunny Sani, shooting category mein actually Abhinav Bindra got gold. Right. So the right answer is 52 seconds. So B is the right answer to this question. And I hope you are aware, Jana Gana Mana, written by, I hope you are aware, Mr. Rabindranath Tagore. So I hope, I guess everyone must be knowing it. So the right answer is B is the right answer. Yes. VX rider Himanshu, Samaria, Sunny, Neha Joshi, all are right. The next one is, to whom does the governor submit his resignation? Prime Minister, Vice President, President, Chief Justice of India. What is the right answer to this question? So if a governor wants to resign, he or she will send the resignation to whom? The Prime Minister, Vice President, President, and Chief Justice of India. Now think in a reverse fashion. A governor is appointed by whom? So a governor is appointed by President. So most likely, the answer would be the President of India. You can apply some logics and with the help of that. Yes, C is the right answer to this question. In fact, recently, the governor of Maharashtra was in the news because he has decided to resign. Mr. Bhagat Singh Goshiari, the Maharashtra governor, you can say this is a 12th February news. So again, they can ask these types of questions. So C is the right answer to this question. Shamit Anand, you all are right. C is the right answer. So go and read about it. The next one is, in which armed forces does the rank of Admiral exist? Navy, Air Force, Army, Paramilitary Force. This was also very much in the news, and that is why they asked this question. So the post of Admiral you will find where? In which field? And everyone please press the like button. We are seeing 10 likes, 16 is watching. So sabko like button press kar do. So you will find it actually in Navy. Why it was in the news? See, this is November 2021 news. A new Navy Chief, Admiral R. Ravi Kumar, assumes charge as 25th Chief of Naval Staff. Okay, and that is why since this was in the news, this thing was in the news, they asked it. The head our Navy Chief, the designation of Navy Chief is Admiral. So in Air Force, the Army Chief is generally actually the prefix we use or the designation we use is Air Chief Marshal. And Air Chief Marshal. And in the case of Army, we use the word General, like General Manoj Pandey, right? Like that. So just have an idea. Yes, A is the right answer. Many people have answered Navy. Very good. The next one is, arrange the battles in the chronological order. The word chronological means it should be in date-wise, date-wise fashion. Means you are supposed to tell which event happened first, then next, then next, then next, like this. That is what you are supposed to answer it. Okay. Yes. So I'm waiting for the answers. What is the right answer to this question? Yes. Battle of Plassey kab hua? So Battle of Plassey happened in 1757 AD, right? Battle of Haldighati 1576 AD. Post Battle of Panipat 1526 AD. Battle of Buxar 1764 AD. Battle of Tallikota, I think 1565 AD. Yes. So the right answer is C. Yes. So C is 3. So let me actually tell you with the green pen. So the first one, the earliest one is this. So this is 3, the earliest one. Then the next one is actually 5. The next one, the second one. So first, then second, and third one will be this, and the fourth one will be this, and the fifth one will be this. So that is why 3, 5, 2, 1, 4. So C is the right answer to this question. Yes, unknown user. Yes, they ask it. So please go and read all these battles, because these are the famous battles, and plus Battle of Tarain as well. Yes, they have asked these types of questions. The Battle of Tarain, which year, between which two people actually. So like Please go and read it. Battle of Haldighati happened between which two? So actually Akbar versus Maharana Pratap. Battle of Plassey. So Sirajuddaulah versus British, Robert Clive. First Battle of Panipat, Babur versus Ibrahim Lodi. Battle of Buxar, you should be knowing these things. Battle of Talikota is actually, this is in Vijayanagar Empire. Actually, this is very important in South India now. So you should be knowing about it. Battle of Tarain, yes, 1191, 1192, right? Sunni Sani, right? So you must be aware of it. This is important one. The next one is Narmada Bachao Andolan, started in 1980, is related to the displacement of tribal in which of the following three states? So this was a protest actually to support the tribals because the tribals got displaced because of a reason, and you have to tell me the reason also. So what is the right answer? C. The right answer is very simple. The right answer is C is the right answer to this question. Yes, unknown user, इसी तरह का format रहेगा, थोड़ा सा आगे पीछे हो सकता है, of course, they can change it, but you should be knowing it. See, there's a river called as Narmada, which starts somewhere on the border of Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh, goes like this to Gujarat and all. So this is Sardar Sarovar Dam. So the construction of Sardar Sarovar Dam led to actually displacement of people. So it affected the people from Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, right? So that is why C is the right answer to this question. Yes, Shamit Anand, Neha Joshi, you should be knowing it. And go and find out, there is a lady who is actually heading this movement, Narmada Bachao Andolan. So go and find out the name of that lady. Okay, so C is the right answer. Okay, the next one is, yes, there is Sardar Sarovar Dam, just have an idea, constructed in 2006 and all. The next one is who invented penicillin? So they are asking actually questions from biology as well. I will show you some questions from biology. So the basic biology facts are also being asked. Everyone, please press the like button. We are seeing 10 likes, 16 is watching. So सबको like button press कर दो. Penicillin was invented by whom? So Galileo was basically concerned with physics, है ना? So probability थोड़ा कम है. Penicillin actually was invented by Alexander Fleming. So B is the right answer to this question. Sunny Sahani, unknown user, you are right. B is the right answer. So it is actually a sort of a treat is used to treat infections of bacteria and all. I hope you all are aware of this. So B is the right answer. Yes, Sunny Sahani, you all are right. Okay, before moving on, we are having a CLAT Comprehensive 2024 course. 300 plus recorded videos, 300 plus hours of live session would be provided. If you have query, call on this number. Someone in the comment section was asking about test series. So, जो पूछना है यहाँ call कीजिए. So, if you want to know about test series, call on this number 953889567. Okay, yes. And yes, if you want to get this course at a cheaper rate, this is the best chance. On 19th February at 11 in the morning, we'll be having a scholarship test. Go for this. You will get up to 90% of scholarship if you qualify it. So just have an idea. The next one is Jyoti Surekha Venan is associated with which sports? So actually 1 or 2 months before the exam, she was in the news, and that is why they asked this question. Shooting, sprint, archery, table tennis. What is the right answer? Anyone? So the right answer to this question is archery, तीरंदाजी जिसको हम लोग हिंदी में कहते हैं. So this is called as archery, or actually तीरंदाजी, we use the word in Hindi, है ना? So she won the medal and all just before the exam, and that is why it was in the news. हाँ, Medha Patkar is the leader associated with Narmada Bachao Andolan. Yes, Neha Joshi, right? हाँ. She is the right answer. The next one is, in which ocean Bermuda Triangle is situated? Now it is actually considered as a very mysterious place, where if the ship or the plane goes, there are actually, I don't know whether this is true or not, but there are a lot of stories around it that if the ship or the plane goes around it, then it will be actually pulled up, or actually there is a magnetic effect there and you will not come out of that and all. So where do we find this Bermuda Triangle? So there's a country also, Bermuda, an island country. You will find it in Atlantic Ocean. So C is the right answer. Yes, Sharad Podar. Soham, Sunny Sani, you are right. C is the right answer to this question. So let me show you where exactly it is. So here is India. This is Atlantic Ocean, right? This is USA, and here is so this is Bermuda island here. So somewhere here actually this is Bermuda Triangle somewhere here. Okay. So there are a lot of stories around it. We are not going in detail about those stories, but just have an idea. Okay. It's not in Pacific, it's in Atlantic. Okay, the next one is the highest civilian award of India's Bharat Ratna has been awarded to only 2 foreigners. One of them is Nelson Mandela, who is the other one. So we have given Bharat Ratna to 2 foreigners. The first one is Nelson Mandela. So he is considered as father of nation of South Africa. And there is another person also who has got this Bharat Ratna. Unknown user, because it will help you get an idea of which type of questions are being asked. So there are mixture of static and current affairs. Yes. So the right answer is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. So he is also famously called as Frontier Gandhi. So C is the right answer to this question. Yes, Neha Joshi, unknown user, Sunny Sahni, you all are right. C is the right answer to this question. Then the next is question number 14. Operation Safed Sagar was related with which of the following things? Making oceans free from pollution, reducing damage from cyclones, Indian Army operation in Middle East to protect India from ISIS, operation of Indian Air Force during Kargil War. Yes. The right answer is Operation Safed Sagar is related with Kargil War. And I hope you are aware 26th July is celebrated as Kargil Vijay Divas. So you must be knowing about that as well. So D is the right answer to this question. Please be aware of it. There was another Operation Vijay also. Please go and read about Operation Vijay and Operation Safed Sagar. Both are important. They keep on repeating these types of questions. So D is the right answer. Then International Women's Day. Please be aware they ask a lot of questions from days in MH-CET. So days are also very important. Like World Environment Day, World Wetland Day, International Women's Day. So what is the right answer to this question? Everyone please press the like button. So the right answer is 8th March. So C is the right answer to this question. Okay, yes. C is the right answer. Yes. Yes, today is Black Day. Yes, Neha Joshi. So C is the right answer to this question. Sharat Podar, you are right. So go and read about it. Okay, as we have already told you, means this is a scholarship we are providing up to 90% on our paid courses. So on 19th February at 11 AM, we'll be having a test. The link is given in the description. From there, actually, you can register it for this course. Okay? Yes, for this test. Mushroom is a what? Fungus, plant, animal, slime, mold. What is the right answer to this question? Mushroom, actually, it is used for even eating as well. Hai? So, many people eat mushroom as well. So, ये क्या है आपको बताना है? Fungus है, plant है, animal है, slime, mold है. So, the right answer actually to this question is it is written in the first page of Wikipedia. है ना? It is a spore-bearing fruiting body of a fungus. So A is the right answer to this question. Yes, Sharad Podar, Shiv, unknown user, Neha Joshi, you all are right. Which state has highest population density according to census 2011? UP, Bihar, West Bengal, Maharashtra. What is the right answer to this question? So we are not asking their population, they're asking population density. So these questions can be again repeated. So if someone is asking highest population, it is UP. Hai na? But if they are asking density wise, then it is Bihar. Okay. So it is, I think, as far as I remember, 1106 person per kilometer square. This is the highest density. Ghani abadi jisko hum log Hindi mein kehte hain. So the right answer is B. Yes, Shiv, Sharad, Ayesha, you all are right. B is the right answer. It is not UP. I'm asking density. Okay, some people are saying UP. So let me clarify it. The next one is the state of Jharkhand was carved out of Bihar in which year? झारखंड काट के अलग से बिहार से काट के अलग स्टेट बना दिया गया था which year? What is the right answer? So the right answer to this question is option B is the right answer. Neha Joshi, इसका difference मैंने बताया ना, population density and population is two different things. Let's say, for example, in this area there are 10 people living. Okay, and this small area 8 people are living. And this is area 1, this is area 2. So if I am saying which has more population, you will say 1. But if I will be asking which has more population density, so this is 2, because in a small area, 8 people are living. So this is the difference. Hai na? So that is why I use the word 1106 person per kilometer square. Okay? Whereas if you talk about Bihar's population, I think somewhere around 10 or 11 crore, according to the census 2011, the UP's population is 19 crore, you can say around 20 crore. इसको 10 मान लो. So it's like this. So population wise UP is very much populated, but within area, in 1 kilometer square area, a lot of people, a maximum number of people are living in Bihar. So that is the difference you are supposed to understand. This is B is the right answer. Yes. Samaria Sultana, Aisha Moed, you all are right. So actually this is actually earlier the Bihar was this much big. So this was earlier Bihar before 15th November 2000. And later on it got demarcated between Bihar and the new state Jharkhand was created. Okay. The next one is an insulin produced organ in the human body is insulin producing organ. So insulin actually injection is taken by those who are having diabetes, or actually the person having sugar. जिनको शुगर की बीमारी होती है इंसुलिन के इंजेक्शन वगैरह लेते हैं, सो दे आर अवेयर ऑफ दैट. So this is actually the disease, actually the secretion of insulin. If it is not normal, then it is, of course, it leads to diabetes or sugar and all. It is, of course, released by pancreas. So D is the right answer to this question. Okay. Yes, Neha, Aisha, Shamit, Sunny, you all are right. Where is the headquarters of OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries? So this keeps on in the news, and we teach these things in our paid classes as well. So your options are Vienna, Riyadh, Algiers, Baghdad. Yes, इससे पहले का D आंसर था ये शरद, नेहा, you all were right. So you have to tell me where is the headquarters of OPEC. Yes, the right answer is capital of Austria, that is Vienna. So A is the right answer to this question. ठीक है. So let me show you in the map. So here is India, this is Austria, and then that capital is Vienna. A is the right answer to this question. ठीक है. Yes. The next one is how many times has Brazil won World Cup football champion? So this is the maximum number of time a football team has won a World Cup. So how many times? So it has actually won. I mean, I know it's a slightly on the tougher side, but you should be knowing it. 5 is the right answer. 1958, 62, 70, 94, 2002. So these are the times when they have won it. So A is the right answer to this question. Okay. Okay, the highest mountain peak in India is Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest, K2, Nanga Parbat. What is the right answer to this question? So sometimes a lot of controversies do happen, but yes, if the option is given K2, I would suggest to mark K2. If it is not given, then you should mark Kanchenjunga. Because yes, so the K2 is actually in the POK region, but we believe that this is our part. So of course, K2 should be the right answer. Okay, ideally the K2 should be the right answer. So if they have given in the option, mark K2. So C is the right answer. Yes, Shamit, Anand, Shiv, Sharad, Sunny, you are right. C is the right answer. If it is not given, then you should go for Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga you will find somewhere here, na, Sikkim mein. The next is, what is the term used for a 10-year-old child working in a factory? I mean, this is actually a very easy question. It's a common sense question. Of course, this is called as child labor. A is the right answer to this question. Na? So, yes. The next one is Amartya Sen is a very famous economist. He got a Nobel Prize in economics for his contribution to what? I mean, monetary economics, welfare economics, environmental economics, statistical economics. So what is the right answer? I know it's a slightly tougher question. So the right answer is welfare economics. He gave the concept of capacity building. Capacity approach model, we use this word. So B is the right answer to this question. Okay. Yes. So just have an idea. There's a request. Everyone, please press the like button. Sabko like button press karte jao. We are seeing only 10 likes, 16 is watching. So sabko like button press kar do. Who is known as father of space program in India? So he was instrumental in actually establishing ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Homi Jahangir Baba, N.K. Shah, Abdul Kalam, Vikram Sarabhai. What is the right answer to this question? देखो, Homi Jahangir Baba is considered as father of India's nuclear program. APJ Abdul Kalam is considered as missile man of India, right? Hana? Vikram Sarabhai is the right answer. Yes, Sharad, Shiv, Sunny, you all are right. D is the right answer. Neha Joshi, you all are right. Hana? So this is from the ISRO's website. I am showing you the official website. He is considered as father of Indian space program. And he actually requested Jawaharlal Nehru, the then Prime Minister, to set up Department of Atomic Energy. At that time, it was called as INCOSPAR in 1962. Later on, this INCOSPAR became ISRO in 1969. So you must have an idea about this. Of course, these are important facts. They can ask about Aryabhatta, the first satellite launched by India as well and all. Okay. The next is Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award. They have repeated it again and again. This. So once one year they asked who has got it, which organization gives it, this award is related with which field. So that is why we show you the previous year question, because they repeat sometimes. So that is why you must be knowing it. It is given for excellence in the field of science and technology. D is the right answer to this question. Okay. It is given by CSIR, Center for Council for Scientific and Industrial Research. So D is the right answer to this question. Yes, Soham Khatawakar, you are right. D is the right answer to this question. Now the next one is Brahmo Samaj was founded by whom? It's a history question. Keshav Chandra Sen, Ram Mohan Rai, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Devendranath Tagore, Dayanand Saraswati. What is the right answer? So Arya Samaj actually was founded by Dayanand Saraswati, and Brahmo Samaj was founded by Raja Ram Mohan Rai. He was instrumental in banning sati. So B is the right answer to this question. Yes, Shiv is right. B is the right answer to this question. Yes, Neha Joshi, you all are right. Sharad Podar, you are right. Yes, we are running a CLAT 2024 course. The exam is going to happen in December. For that, hardly 10 months is left. So you should go for this course. 300 plus recorded videos, 300 plus hours live session, 35 plus mock test would be there. If you have query, call on this number 95388956878. Okay. Now, who was the 13th president of India? This is a slightly interesting question. So they expect you to know which number of president is right now. I mean, like, for example, the right now is Draupadi Murmu is the president of India. So she is dash th. I mean, they'll be writing the 13, 14, 15, which number position. Actually, they can ask these types of questions because they have asked. So Pranab Mukherjee was the 13th. So you can see it here. The 13th was Pranab Mukherjee, the 14th was Ramnath Kovind, and the 15th one is the current one, Draupadi Murmu. So you must be aware of it because yes, they can ask about current one. So 15th is the right answer. You should be knowing it. Okay. Yes, the next one is Ravi Kumar Dahiya is associated with which sports who won silver medal in Tokyo Olympics 2020? Your options are wrestling, boxing, shooting, discus throw. Because actually he was in the news related with Olympics, Tokyo Olympics, and he was coming in the news again and again. That is why they asked this question. What is the right answer? So the right answer to this question is wrestling. So A is the right answer to this question. Shiv is right. Anna, yes, A is the right answer. The next one is, yes, I have told you again and again, they ask questions from days. So this is important. National Youth Day is celebrated on 12th January. On the birth anniversary of whom? APJ Abdul Kalam, Abul Kalam Azad, Swami Vivekanand, Guru Rabindranath Tagore. What is the right answer? Yes, इससे पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर रेसलिंग था. You all were right. जिन्होंने भी रेसलिंग किया है. National Youth Day. Who is considered as a youth icon? So the right answer actually to this question is C. Swami Vivekanand. Yes, Shamit, Sharad, Soham, you are right. C is the right answer to this question. So Swami Vivekanand, C is the right answer. Yes, Aisha, Sunny, Gagrima, you are right. Name the title of the film which India and Bangladesh are going to make together on the occasion of 100th birth anniversary of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. So Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is considered as father of nation of Bangladesh. So there was an entire passage on this in CLAT 2020, right? So actually, and he is famously called as Banga Bandhu. So his nickname was Banga Bandhu. So you could have applied the logic and answered it that since they are talking about the 100th birthday of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, it must be related with him. So C is the right answer. Yes, Gagrima, Sharad, Neha, Sunny, you all are right. C is the right answer. The next one is, in which state Umiam Lake, also known as Barapani Lake, situated? Your options are Arunachal, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland. What is the right answer to this question? सबको लाइक बटन प्रेस करते जाओ. Everyone, please press the like button. Yes, the right answer to this question is B. Meghalaya is the right answer to this question. Okay, so B is the right answer. ठीक है. कभी कभी पूछ देते हैं static questions and all, है ना. India's largest coffee producing state is Telangana, Assam, West Bengal, Karnataka. So there is a very famous place also called as Coorg, which is actually famous for coffee, and you will find this in Karnataka. Assam is famous for tea. So if they are asking largest tea cultivation, so you'll say tea, you will say Assam. But if they are asking coffee, it would be Karnataka. So D is the right answer to this question. Yes, Shiv, you are right. D is the right answer. Sharad Podar, you are right. Trypanophobia is commonly associated with the fear of petrol fumes, spider, blades, injection. So what is the right answer? सबको like button press करते जाओ, everyone. Yes. So actually it is a fear of injection. So D is the right answer to this question. So there are a lot of people, even not only child, because I have seen many adults also feel fearful of injections. So D is the right answer. Yes, Akansha, Priya, Sharad, you all are right. D is the right answer. The next is the oldest bank in India is State Bank of India. Since 1955, it was previously known as what? So before 1955, it was something else called. So it was called as what? The right answer is, it was called as Imperial Bank of India. So D is the right answer. Yes, Priya, Chavan, Shiv, you all are right. D is the right answer to this question. Okay, so just have an idea. The next is question number 36, which says, which airport is world's first smart reading airport? Yes, इससे पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर डी था. सनी, शरद, you all were right. हाँ. So the right answer is Dubai International Airport. So A is the right answer to this question. So free access to collection of more than 7,000 leading magazines, newspapers, journals, etc. Smart reading airport would be there. So just have an idea about it. A is the right answer. The next is, which is the least urbanized state in India? Again, they are asking questions from census. So they keep on asking questions from census as well. Yes. So सबसे कम शहरी एरिया मतलब ज्यादातर गांव का एरिया कहाँ है, कौन से जगह में? So you will be surprised to know, but that is the correct answer. So you will find hardly only 10% of urbanization. So 90% actually population lives in rural area, and that is Himachal Pradesh. So B is the right answer to this question. Okay, so just have an idea about it. Yes. So the next one is, Indian Railway has launched which initiative to provide safety and security to lady passengers traveling by trains? So when we were discussing about current affairs at that time, we had discussed it again and again. So that is why you must be knowing it. The right answer is Meri Saheli is the right answer to this question. So B is the right answer. Yes, Priya Chavan, you all are right. So B is the right answer. Yes, Sunny Sahani, Shiv, you are right. Huh? The next is, to be eligible for election, the President of India needs to be needs to have a minimum age of what? 45, 35, 25, 40. So you must be knowing what is the age for a Lok Sabha MP, what is the age for a Rajya Sabha MP, what is the age for becoming a governor, what is the minimum age for becoming President of India. That is what you are supposed to know. ठीक है, ये सब पता होना चाहिए आपको. Yes, the right answer is 35. B is the right answer. Yes, Shiv is right. Very good. So B is the right answer to this question. Because last year President of India's appointment was very much in the news, so they can ask it. Yes, Neha Joshi, you all are right. The city of Agra is located on the bank of which river? Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna. So if you have visited Taj Mahal, on the back side of Taj Mahal, you will find this river. So those who have visited Taj Mahal must be aware of that. So the right answer is B is the right answer. Yes, Agrima, Sani, you all are right. So this is Taj Mahal. So do not say that this one is Yamuna. No, this is just a small garden type, and there is a, and this is not Yamuna. On the back side of it, if you go get a chance to go to the back side, so this is the photo from the back side. Okay, this is Taj Mahal, and the river here is actually none other than the Yamuna river. So on the back side of Taj Mahal, you will find this river called as Yamuna river. Okay, so just have an idea. So B is the right answer to this question. The next is, Joe Biden became the US president. Actually, at that time, he was in the news. So he belonged to which political party? In some questions, they ask, he is the dashed president of USA. So he is the 46th president of USA, and he belongs to which party? So the right answer is Democratic Party. B is the right answer to this question. Okay, Republican Party से Donald Trump belongs to. ठीक है, डेमोक्रेटिक के लिए भी. गवर्नर की भी एज 35 होती है. विनायक दिंगरा, इट्स 35 मिनिमम एज. हाँ, फॉर लोकसभा एमपी इट इज 25, फॉर राज्यसभा इट्स 30 है. यस, द राइट आंसर इज बी. यस, जस्ट हैव एन आइडिया अबाउट इट. 46 प्रेसिडेंट. सो नंबर्स भी पूछते हैं कौन सा वाले हैं. ठीक है, सो दे आस्क दीस टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. हनहोर मांगसो इज अ फेमस डिश ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंडियन स्टेट्स? असम, गुजरात, तमिलनाडु, उत्तराखंड. I know it was a slightly tougher question. If you are not from that state, then of course it is a tougher question. So the right answer is A. Assam is the right answer to this question. A is the right answer. Okay. The next is question number 43. So this is done. Which jets are inducted in Indian Air Force on July 29, 2020, taking Indian Air Force combat several notches up? And this is the easiest question in that year. And please tell me in the answer that this has been taken from which country, and what is the name of the company, aviation company, which made this Rafale jet? So the answer is Rafale jet, no doubt. I mean, everyone knows. Please correct the spelling. So this is the spelling, Rafale jet. Okay. D is the right answer, made by Dassault Aviation. So they can ask it again, Dassault Aviation. So D is the right answer. Yes, Priya, Chavan, Sunny, you all are right. D is the right answer. The next is, every year, again, I have told you days they ask again and again. Earth Day is celebrated on dash to mark the birth anniversary of modern environmental movements in 1970. June 20, April 22, 23rd May, 14th December. Yes. No, it is not HAL agreement. It is, we have bought it from France, so it was actually Dassault Aviation. Okay. Earth Day every year is celebrated on 22nd April. So B is the right answer to this question. Just have an idea about it. They can ask it. And everyone, please press the like button. Sabko like button press karte jao. Fatafat. Yes. We are seeing 13, 14 likes only. So sabko like button press kar do. Yes. The next one is, isko pad lena. Why do we celebrate it on 22nd April? The Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha TV channels got merged, and this, yes, I still remember I have discussed it. So the two news channels got merged to form a new channel. What was the name of that? Uska naam batana aapko. So the right answer to this question is Sansa TV. So D is the right answer to this question. So this is the logo of Sansa TV. Okay, so just have an idea about it. Yes, Shiv, you are right. The next is 2023 ICC Men's Cricket World Cup will be happening in which country? Yes, Sansa TV, yes, Devendra, Shiv, Sharat, Sunny, you all were right. Huh? So 2023 ICC Men's Cricket World Cup will be happening where? So the right answer is, since it was happening in India, so that is why they have asked it. And this year also they might be asking it because this year is 2023, so they may ask it again. So B is the right answer. Yes, Shiv, you are right. B is the right answer to this question. In October this year it will be happening. So in India it will be happening. So it's important for you. Again, they can ask this year. Okay, so that is a star market. Okay. Yes. So it's Sunny, you all were right. The dash is the interest rate. I have taught these things in paid classes. So those who are my paid by student should answer it. Is the interest rate that RBI charges to banks for the money which commercial banks borrow from RBI. Repo rate, reverse repo rate, statutory liquidity ratio, cash reserve ratio. What is the right answer to this question? क्या है सही जवाब? सबको बताइए. So the right answer is the repo rate. So A is the right answer to this question. It is the interest rate that RBI charges to bank for the commercial for the money which commercial banks borrow from RBI. So A is the right answer. Repurchase operation is the meaning as well, or the full form. Yes. The next one is the emblem of, yes, this is a quite interesting question, star market, because WHO was in the news due to COVID. So the emblem of WHO consists of United Nations symbol surmounted by a staff with a dash coiling around it. Snake, dove, white ribbon, white pigeon. So this was a very interesting question actually. So United Nations logo, if you add something to UN logo, if you add two things, it would become the WHO's logo. Okay. So what are those two things? One is a staff, another is snake. Okay. So the right answer is A is the right answer. Yes, Priya Chavan is right. No, see it here. So this is the logo of United Nation, right? Are you seeing it carefully? So this is the logo of United Nation. Above it, this is, I'm making it with red so that you can understand. It's a rod. And are you seeing this rod? This is a staff, they have defined it. Okay. And are you seeing this a snake? I'm making it with green pen. Right? This is snake around it, right? Oh, let me make it with some other pen. So this is a snake. Dekh rahe ho? Above it. So this is actually snake, and this one is actually a staff. Okay. So on above United Nations logo, this has been added, and now it is the logo of WHO. So that is what they were expecting you to know. So A is the right answer. I know it was a tough question. Zoo taxi is associated with what? Study of fossils, study of animals, classification of animal, classification of zoo in different parts of the world. Look, I'll tell you one thing. Always try to break the words. It will help you. Zoo taxi. So whenever the word zoo comes, it is related with animals. So first A cannot be the answer. Taxi comes from the word taxonomy. Taxonomy means the science of actually classification of names. है ना? Taxonomy पढ़ते हो ना? If you have studied biology in class 9th and 10th, you must have a little bit studied about taxonomy, right? So the classification, naming of people and all, naming of different kingdoms, phylum, subphylum. You must have studied taxonomy in class 9th, I guess. है ना? थोड़ा सा तो पढ़ा ही होगा. So that is related with that. So C is the right answer. So this is how you break the word and reach to the conclusion. So C is the right answer. Yes. So Sunny Sahani, you are right. The Montreal Protocol is an international agreement made in 1987 to help protect the Earth's dash layer. This is very, very important. All the environment summits are very, very important actually. Everyone please press the like button. We are seeing 17 likes, 20 is watching. सबको like button press कर दो. So of course it is related with ozone layer depletion. So to protect ozone from getting depleted, so C is the right answer. So Soham, Priya, Himanshu, you are right. C is the right answer to this question. Yes, Sunny, Himanshu, Kansha, you are right. What is the full form of Uday by Government of India? So Uday is a Yojna actually, or a scheme which is launched by the Government of India. You have to tell me what is the full form of it. क्या है इसका full form? So the right answer. Everyone, please press the like button, guys. सबको like button press करते जाओ. Ujjwal Discom Assurance Yojna. So this is actually, Discom means distribution, power distribution company. So this is actually to related with, this scheme is related with power distribution company. So B is the right answer to this question. The next is on February 2021, because they have asked this is a previous year question. Mars rover mission makes its final descent to the red planet. Red planet means Mars. The name given to the Mars rover is what? Insight, Spirit, Curiosity, Perseverance. I still remember I taught this in the classes. So those who are our students must be aware of that. So it's Perseverance rover. Now this is actually from their official website. Now you can see it here. So the rover is having wheels which can move on the surface of the Mars as well, right? So it can move on the surface of Mars. So the right answer is D is the right answer. Yes, Priya, Chavan, Sharad, Mariam, PRAG, you all are right. है ना, देखो आप देख सकते हो Mars 2020 mission Perseverance rover, है ना. So this is having cameras and different technologies, so it can move on the surface of Mars. The next is, which of the following was never a vice president of India? This is a quite interesting question. So all four actually became the president of India as well, but they were once vice president as well. Okay. So you have to tell me one of them was only a president but not a vice president. So देखो, S. Radhakrishnan, he was the first vice president and later on second president of India. Okay. Zakir Hussain was second vice president, became the third president of India. So at least B and D cannot be the answer. Okay, so because both had been both vice president and president. Shankar Dayal Sharma also. So the right answer is actually C. C is the right answer. Okay. So just have an idea. Then this is very quite famous. The motto of Indian Air Force is Nabha Sparsham Deeptam, which means touch the sky with glory. It has been taken from where? Bhagavad Gita, Rig Ved, Upanishad, Ramayana. What is the right answer to this question? क्या है सही जवाब? Nabha Sparsham Deeptam, touch the glory with sky has been taken from the book called as a religious book called as Bhagavad Gita. So A is the right answer to this question. They can ask these questions as well. So you must be aware of it. Okay, so A is the right answer. Yes. Yes, Zoya Khan, you all are right. Shiv, you all are right. Okay, the next one is Attorney General of India has the right to audience in all courts in India as well as the right to take part in the proceedings of Parliament, but it has no right to what? Chair the session, vote, pass judgments, and of the above. So it is actually clearly mentioned that he has a right to be present in all the courts, can take parts in the proceedings of the Parliament, but cannot vote. So B is the right answer to this question. He cannot vote in the session because he is not an MP. But yes, he can be invited actually to explain some position of the government and all inside the Parliament. And that is why he has a right to attendance. He can come inside the Parliament or house and all. Okay, but he cannot vote. So B is the right answer. Yes, Zoya Khan, Sunny, Shani, you are right. B is the right answer. The Reserve Bank of India has the sole right of issuing the currency notes except which dash, which are issued by Finance Ministry. So if you see the note, I mean currency note, paisa dekhoge, so you will find RBI governor's signature, right? But if you have seen 1 rupee note, there is no signature of RBI governor, there is signature of finance secretary. Okay, so it's a minute thing, but you must be knowing it. Yes, D is the right answer. Yes, very good, Shiv, right? Huh? Okay, so D is the right answer. We are talking about paper notes, not coins. तो coins तो होगा ही नहीं option में, है ना? तो ऐसे ही eliminate हो गया. ठीक है, so D is the right answer. So have you seen the 1 rupee note? अगर आपने देखा होगा, see, check it. It's not written RBI governor, it's written on the signature finance secretary. ठीक है. Who among the following recently became the Prime Minister of UK? This is the easiest question. Yes, Sharad Podar, but we are talking about, see, read the questions. We are talking about paper notes. So coins cannot be the answer. Okay? So read the questions. Carefully. Right, you are right. By the way, your fact is right. The Prime Minister of UK is Mr. Rishi Sunak. I hope you all are aware. We have discussed so many times. So D is the right answer. Yes, so Sunny, Sahani, Shiv, Priya, Chavan, you all are right. 49th parallel north is the boundary line between which two countries? US and Canada, North and South Vietnam, Germany and France, Brazil and Chile. What is the right answer? Everyone, please press the like button. Sabko like button press karte jao. So we have taught this in paid classes. So the international boundary line. So the right answer is US and Canada. A is the right answer. Yes, Shiv, you all are right. Hana. So this is actually, this is 49th parallel. Hana. This is USA, this is Canada. So this is 49° north or called as 49th parallel. Okay. So just have an idea about it. The next one is, this is quite interesting. Quad has the highest number of common members with which of the following group? So it means they are expecting you to know the how many members are there in Quad, how many members are there, which members are there in SCO, which members are there in ASEAN, G7, UNSC, permanent members. They are expecting all these. So Quad mein members are US, Japan, Australia, India. Now, in SCO you will find one of them only, India. In ASEAN there is no in these four, so on. None of the four. G7 mein you will find two nations. So what are those? So in US and Japan, you will find in G7 as well. So there are two nations there. And in UN permanent membership, so there is actually USA only, right? So the maximum number you will find is C. So C is the right answer to this question. And that is what you should be knowing it. I have just explained it. So this was a quite tricky question, but yes, if you know it, you can answer it. The next one is, which of the following country has recently test fired a hypersonic missile named Zircon? Ukraine, North Korea, Russia, Japan. So generally speaking, even if it was before war, Ukraine was not very much interested in testing such dangerous missiles. So at least either of these three can be the answer. So you could have easily eliminated option A. So the right answer here is Russia. Generally, people mark North Korea because North Korea is famous for that. But here the right answer is Russia. In fact, if you know it, recently also Russia has tested something similar to that. So C is the right answer. Yes, Akansha, Soham, Shiv, you all are right. C is the right answer. Guys, we are running a scholarship test. Up to 90% scholarship will be provided. So the link is given in the description to register it on 19th February at 11 AM in the morning. We'll be providing this test. If you qualify it, you will be given 90% scholarship on our paid classes. So this is all about today's class. Please subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and download the BYJU'S Exam Prep app. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.